Step 1 is deciding which state to form your LLC in. For most people, this is a simple choice. You form your LLC in the state where you actually live and do business. That's the default, and it's the most common option because states generally expect you to register where you're operating. The term for this is a domestic LLC. You may hear some people say things like just form in Wyoming or in Delaware, and for a small percentage of people, forming a business out of state can make sense, usually for privacy or very specific situations. But doing so can add extra work, cost, and complexity. This is called a foreign registration. So if you form your LLC in a different state than where you live and work, you may have an extra registration step and create extra recurring work for yourself. For example, if you form in Ohio, but you run the business from Pennsylvania, you may need to register your Ohio LLC in Pennsylvania as well, which adds cost and paperwork. The simple rule is this: if you're doing business in one state, start there. And even if you're only doing business online, you still register where you live and work. Only look out of state if you have a clear reason to do so, and if you're stuck on this, you may want some legal or tax advice before continuing.